Welcome to my self-care maintenance vlog. It has been a minute since I got my nails done. I only get them done once a month, and I only paid $38. So now I have this set here. I'm getting ready to do my toes, and I have not done my toes since August, but I need to remove the nail polish. I'm the type of girl who hates to use nail polish on her toes, but I decided to do something different. No, I don't go get a pedicure. I have this callus remover, which is very helpful because not too long ago my skin was really bad around my foot and I used to get blisters. That callus remover did help remove the dead skin. This is a nail hardener. It does have a tint on it, and this is what I like to use on my toes. I like clear nail polish, anything with a light tint. I just don't like nail polish at all. So here's another callus scraper thing to remove. I don't use the pet egg. This one this drill machine was given to me, so that is what I'm using, and that is what I'm going to do. So just warning you that my feet looks hideous. Okay, so I'm being very vulnerable right here, but trust me, trust the process. It will look better, and just trust the process, girl. Full warning, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm filing away off the nail polish here. So because my toes was looking so jacked up, so please understand, I was just wearing sneakers the whole entire time because I was just not in the mood to do my toes. So I'm just removing everything off here and trying my hardest not to scrape off my my nails, make a little white mark on it because I just got my nails done. Alright, so now I'm just using the scraper to get the rest of the callus off, and I'm not gonna stay on that too long. Alright, so as you can see, like right there on the side on that other foot, like I have that little black mark only, but I don't use a pet egg, but I do have that scraper that I showed you where I'm going to just take all that white stuff off and really clean it up. But I do use coconut oil, so that does help, hydrate the skin. But yeah, you got to remove all that dead skin off. I am a DIY type of girl, and I have to save money the best way I can. But the thing is, I don't keep up with it all the time. So I've made it my business to keep up with my toes and do it correctly and just do it right. So this is what my feet look like at the end. I put some oil on it. I did not use the nail hardener just yet. I forgot to take a little video of the finish, with the nail hardener on it and everything. So let's go ahead and move on to the shower because we need to shave. So I'm using a fresh shaver. This is the shaving cream that I'm going to be using to wax my legs. And then this is the hair remover cream that I'm using on my lady parts. So now let's go ahead and start shampooing my hair. These are the products that I'm using that I got from Burlington. I bought them separately. The conditioner was like $12 and the shampoo was like $9 or $10. The water is a little hot, so yeah, I always make that mistake. I love the Shea Moisture, the black Jamaican castor oil. This is a staple to me, even though this is old. This is back in maybe 2012, 2015, but I didn't go natural until until 2017, and I have done big chops a number of 6 times. So this is my 6th time doing the big chop. The water is still hot. I don't know why. I just won't, let the water stay warm. So now I'm going ahead with my conditioner, and I'm just going to let it sit on there for about a good 5 minutes while I go ahead and shave my legs and handle my lady parts and just go from there. So now I'm rinsing it out. And I like to rinse out with lukewarm water. So now I am getting ready to just go ahead and do my skincare for my face while I'm in the shower. But I usually like to do this at the sink, then I go to the shower. But for the sake of this video, I was trying to do everything in the shower, girl. I do plan on doing more detailed shower routines. So just make sure you keep your post notifications on if you have not subscribed to the channel, so that you can get more type of videos like this, because I like doing girly things outside of weight loss. Bye, gorgeous.